Hi guys, so this year we thought we'd run you through step by step how we create our Christmas displays. So we're just about to start our big Christmas build, and the stage one is to empty the building which I'm currently standing in. We've already started, so let me show you what we've done so far. So if we take a sneak peek through here, you can see this side is completely empty. We're going to have a big clean down in there, ready for the new stock to come in. And as you can see, this side of the room has still got our summer stock in, so it's next on the hit list to be cleared. So it's a couple of days further down the line, and as you can see, all of the furniture has disappeared, which means Christmas is coming and it's time to start building some stands. So now all the stands have been built and the shelves have been covered, so the next step is to add the stock and build some displays. So this afternoon we're in what will be our light room. As you can see, the ceiling lets a lot of light in, so we're going to have this blacking fabric in the roof there, which will dim all the lighting in here, making the Christmas decorations show up exactly how they're meant to. Before we can add any decorations to these shelves, we've got to sort out the top up here. What we do is we add these roofs up along, all the way along the top of these units, and then it'll be ready to load with the Christmas decorations. So we've started on this display here. The first thing we do is drop a backdrop down the back and sort out the floor. So we put snow on the floor with some plinths here, and then we'll dress this with all the Christmas decorations. So today we're working on the Christmas village, and this is how it starts. It's a random selection of objects which we use to create a base. The next stage now is to add some tin foil and spray paint it so it looks a bit more like a realistic mountain. So as you can see, the team have been busy hanging the decorations on the wall. We always leave a few spare hooks because we've got deliveries arriving all the time, so we need space for the new decorations to go straight out on the shelves. You can also see Tommy behind me is hanging up some of the lights. We do lights all throughout this building, so they're going up all right there, Tommy?
Perfect, yes.
Perfect, spot on. So this evening we're working on this display, and we're going to build a staircase in this area. So we haven't got a staircase already made, so what we're going to do, we've got all these crates here, and we're going to fashion them into some form of staircase for the centerpiece of the display. There you go. I hope you've enjoyed having a little look behind the scenes, and we can't wait to welcome you when you next visit.